Here's the reason why furries are bad. Number 1, destroying nature. You should be healing nature by not normalizing having Shreks with a dog. Why? Iraq is the most safe country for furries. Iraq is the only country that just wants the human race to grow forward. Why do you try to normalize being a furry? Why? I see no purpose in this. At least try to be Pacific. Maybe your father figure left you because you're a furry and having Shreks with a dog. Animals are not goddamn Shrek's victims. They just want something. Yeah, you could create memes out of animals. I see that's cool, but having Shreks with them is not cool. Why? I see no purpose. Iraq is the only country. You should join Iraq. You should go to it. You should live in it. You should abandon your country and live in Iraq. Or you literally want to stay away from furries. Like Iraq has anti-furry borders all over their country. So any furries have to go without a goddamn costume. And if they do, they will get shot in the head. Why? Why do you try to normalize bad stuff? Like imagine little Timmy having Shreks with a dog. That would cause him to have bad stuff. All furries should burn in hell. Stop. I am gonna raise a revolution when I'm also a president. And I will go travel for Finland for about 24 hours and see how because I think we're good. Then I will return back to Iraq. Why? I just want to have a nice day watching stuff. And you guys, furries, destroy everything. Why? I see no purpose in this. I see furries should be destroyed. Here's a reason. Shreks was dogs, Shreks was dogs, Shreks was animals. I'm no vegan teacher supporter, but I'm saying animals are just a source of meat, not a goddamn Shrek's victim. Why? I just wanted to have fun without you. The world which been much better without furries or gay people. Social media needs to be destroyed. I'm just gonna live in this safe country and Finland. Let's hope they're nice. Let's hope you stop becoming a furry. Let's hope. Maybe. I'm actually starting to feel bad for the world. Like, God created us to see how He would treat the world, not how He will destroy it, you fucking furries. Fuck you, furries. Fuck you. Watch it, furries. I see. Watch it, dumb shit.